back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and we have another non-phone customer support type job lead for you today. Of course, the link, if you're interested in applying, is down in the YouTube description box below. And if you find this job lead helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with your friends and family. But with that being said, the company Veho, they are on a mission to revolutionize the world of package delivery by trying to create exceptional experiences not only for the customers but also for the drivers. They are hiring an associate of client support. Now, this is remote within the United States only, and this is a full-time position. Now, Veho is backed by former top executives and board members from big companies such as Uber, FedEx, UPS, eBay, and Amazon. They are looking for someone to be responsible for managing and resolving inquiries and issues from clients in a timely and professional manner. So that will include responding to the client inquiries via Slack, email, and Zendesk ticketing system. So this is non-phone. You'll communicate with the clients through those different platforms as well as proprietary tools. You assess the services that they need and connect them with the appropriate response or associated team. So you'll just do anything you can to resolve their problems and help them out and lead them to the information that they need. Now, the starting hourly pay for this role is $18 an hour. And they are looking for someone who has customer service experience, Zendesk experience, and business-to-business support experience. Of course, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, as I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.